Hey guys, it's Kate, and for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I journal. No.
You can't wait on other people to be what you've been called to be. You can't wait on their affirmation. You can't wait on their approval. You can't wait on their support. Sometimes you just got to run and look behind you and say, everybody who wants to run, run, but I can't stop running because you're not.
Hey guys, it's Kate, and for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I bullet journal, and this has been requested many times by mostly people in my real life. I am not a neat journaler, so I don't even know if I would call it a bullet journal. It's kind of like a mixture of a bullet journal and a sketchbook and like all of my thoughts in one place. I'm a very realistic journaler. That is why I thought this could be helpful for a lot of you, because not all of us are neat people. So later in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I do a journal page, and I'm also going to be starting a Instagram account for my journal because apparently my journal has been inspiring people, and Brianna suggested that I start an Instagram account for it, which is probably my 5th Instagram account, so I have a lot going on, but I do journal every single day, and I wanted to launch that today on camera with you guys here, so that's what we're gonna do. I already have my account made. It has almost 50 followers. They don't have any content yet to enjoy, so let's do it, and then I'll teach you my ways.
Let's get started.
Favorite supplies. I've got colored pencils for my drawings, some big dual tip brush pens, some zebra mild liners, mechanical pencils from the dollar store, some smaller Tombow brush pens, Posca paint pens, and a random assortment of black ink pens. Can't forget the essentials. I've also got some stickers, washi tape, and gold leaf. First, I write the date, and for some reason, I wrote today's date in words rather than just putting the actual date. Don't know why I did that, but that's what I did. Then I went into this book that I love to find a quote so that I could write a quote in my journal because I love doing that. It fills up some space and inspires me. So I was going to put it in this black box that I colored in using a black brush pen, but I decided instead to write the quote underneath in calligraphy, and I'm going to use that black box for something else in a little bit. I didn't even really end up using actual calligraphy, but I decided to just kind of use some of the calligraphy technique, which I learned on YouTube, and it takes a lot of time and practice, but don't be discouraged because nobody's that good at it at the beginning, and I've definitely got better over time. And the quote that I decided to write was, "At the deepest level of being, you are one with all that is." Now I'm using my white Posca paint pen to write my songs of the week. So you can take a look at those, check them out, tell me if you like them. Yeah, I like them, so. Now using a mechanical pencil, I am drawing a random rectangle, which I'm going to put a to-do list in, but I'm going to use a mild liner to have a wash of color in the background, and these are very mild colors as their name says, so it's not too distracting from the actual words written inside. And I'm using a black Posca pen to write to-do at the top, and then just a regular pen or pencil to write my actual to-do list. Now I'm going through these plant stickers that I got on Amazon and trying to choose one that fits the vibe of my page and sticking it right on there. I'm also erasing the pencil marks that I had on the rectangle because it just looks a little better without it there. It's doodle time. Doodles are a great way to take up space if you don't have a lot to write about, so I usually stick with planets and outer space theme because that is my favorite theme of all time, and it just makes me feel happy. So here I drew Saturn and a little moon and a bunch of stars because that is just what I love, and it's an easy and cute way to take up space. Haha, get it? Space? 'Cause it's space. This bottom part of the page is reserved for my actual journal entry, since not every day's journal entry is going to be a full page, and I like to take up as much space as possible because there's just something about blank paper that I just feel like needs to be filled. So my goal with journaling is just to fill the entire page and not let any paper go to waste. And that is also where the big Tombow brush pens come in, because you can write a word really big and then I like to outline them with black ink pens, and it just adds an extra pop, and I usually just choose a word that represents my day. So today I chose happy because I'm happy. You can also use the same markers to put a wash of color everywhere, and I like this when there's extra blank space because, like I said, I don't like blank spaces. I just don't, okay? And altogether, I think it looks pretty good. As long as you fill up your whole page, people think that it looks way cooler than it actually is, and you look a lot more professional than you really are. So that is my advice to you. Literally, just make it your own, and it's gonna be fascinating for anyone else looking at it. A quick summary of my main tips are to fill up space with the title / date / time, have a quote that you like, add some doodles, put some washi tape wherever there's some free space, add some stickers, and then actually put your journal entry in there. First, I have to find a page that I'm okay putting on the internet, because this is my journal, aka my diary, which is sometimes personal. So I don't want my first post to be something that I have to censor like half the page. So I want to find a page that's like not so secretive. This page is really cute. Let me just read it to make sure that it's good to go. Okay, this one's cute, but I don't know if I want people to know how much I follow my favorite celebrities' lives, because I do talk about it in my journal. You know what? Here is a spread where I have printed photos that were saved on my phone and put them in my journal so I can write about them. Okay, time to go take pics. Okay, so here I am at my coffee table, and I think my coffee table probably has the most aesthetic background in my whole apartment. So I'm gonna try to set up a cute little flat lay thing, and we are gonna try to get our first Instagram post. So here's the page that we're going to be taking a photo of, and I have this little pen and ink set that Liam got me for Christmas. So I'm gonna put this on the side because it's a nice little touch. I also have this little shell full of crystals, and I think that that is super cute for this. I also have some stickers, washi tape, and I'm just gonna kind of like lay them around. Time to take some photos. And I'm gonna try a couple other pages too, just in case I change my mind. So I've also found another cute page that I did the other day. So I'm gonna take some photos of this one too and then choose my favorite one. Now that I've got a couple photos of journal pages, I am going to edit them and have one drafted so that when this video goes up, I have a post. Okay, so time to set up my very first post, and just double check and make sure there's no Instagram filters that I like on it. Ooh, I kind of like Juno. It brings everything out a little bit more. There we go. I feel like the highlights were a little bit harsh. Now I have to think of a caption, and it's my first post, so I feel like I should introduce myself. Welcome to my journaling. Welcome to my journaling account. Okay, now how do I do this? Hey guys. I'll start it like a YouTube video. Hey guys, it's at @ddaughtrey. Welcome to my journaling account. I happen to journal almost every day, and I thought this would be a fun way to share my creative process with you. Check the link in my bio to see how I journal. See my YouTube video where I show you how I journal. Thanks for following. So I'm saving that as a draft so that when I upload this video, I can post at the exact same time and then link everyone over to my video. So that is all for this journaling video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave me a good old thumbs up and comment anything you want down below. And most importantly, please subscribe to my channel if you want more fun, exciting videos, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post, and I only post once a week, so you won't be spammed. Keep that in mind. I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!